Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday and I need to service that. But first, just like that, the GoPro quit again. So I don't know what causes the problems with the GoPro, but I like the camera. I just wish it would quitting on me like that. So anyhow, back to what I was gonna say. First off, I have to open up some gates and shut off some lights and all that stuff, which I've done the ones up here now because I had no idea the damn camera had stopped. So Tangmo is now over on the orchard side because Tangmo went through the gate back over here when I opened it up. So now we got to go open up this side. But the wife has to go into town today because she has a rental customer wanting to come and look at one of her houses that just got opened up. So I just hit that. So she's gonna be gone today. So I'm gonna be busy cleaning the pool out, getting it ready because Monday we have a high class clientele real estate company coming in to do a commercial on our property here. And once they get that commercial completed, I really want to show you that commercial too. So I'm gonna see if I can't get a copy of it from them. So that's what Tangmo and I are going to do today, is take care of the pool. She's sniffing for snakes, and she wants to go out this gate every morning to check it out and sniff around some of the trees out here. See what I mean? She's got to sniff where the neighbors' dogs have come through here. But okay, so just follow me around today and you'll see how busy I actually am. Okay, so talk to y'all later. Okay, gotta start the day off with a laxative and morning use in the bathroom. Okay, so I forgot something. Reading material. I would not go in there. Gets me woke up each morning. So we're ready to start the day. Before I get started on things, every day I always come out to the shop and check stuff that I've got going, like these bananas. I'm gonna have to cut a couple of these bunches off of there to take in and give to the wife. She get these bananas and she likes to fry them up, and her and her mother love to eat them. I get a few off of each bundle that I cut down. But anyhow, I needed to come in and make sure I've got everything looking good here. So it's like, oh, I need to go play some golf. That's what I need to do. So anyhow, we got pool work to do. Right. Don't drink coffee, so that may have been a coffee break or two. I gotta do this every once in a while during the day, you know, just keep my arms working. Back to work. pump room. It's not as weird and awkward and dangerous as you think in here. This one works the pump. This one here works the jacuzzi, and this one works the lights. Okay, it's obvious we don't need the lights right now. The jacuzzi, I'll turn it on after I get things done to let it just circulate some, and while we're putting in more water into the pool and putting salt in, let it circulate. This one on the pump, I've got it on off right now, and the reason being is I've got to change some settings on the filter, because we're going to backwash this. If you look right here, it says backwash. We're going to backwash, and to do that, I've got to open this valve, which goes, see, to the waste. It actually goes way back off here in the back of the property, and but it will back flush this filter and actually draw down quite a bit off of the pool here. So we got to hurry, and you want to see what it does back here. Saw a video of somebody on our rural Thailand site that was jogging, and I decided I'm too goddamn old to do that, so I'm not gonna jog. But we'll come back here. Might run a little bit, but we're not gonna jog. Oh, it scared the shit out of me. Okay. Here's where it dumps out. If you look at the color of that water coming out of there, it's nice and bronze colored. Kangmo's got to come back here and find a place to piss. But I will run this until I start seeing it clear up. Then by then I can run back into the pump house, shut it off, and switch it to rinse, and we'll rinse everything. So it'll do okay. But right now we got a few minutes, and it's going to lower the pool water probably this much, so I'm going to have to put quite a bit in there. So anyhow, talk to y'all later. Okay folks, we're back over here to the pump. Now I want to go to the next step on this, and the real nice thing is they've gone and numbered all these, and this right here is the rinse stage. Again, I want it to go out, so we're going to rinse it for just a couple of minutes, let it rinse that filter, and it'll set it up and get it ready to go back to filtering out here. But if you don't let the pool get really bad, then it's not that hard to keep clean. The only thing is, I hate vacuuming the damn thing out. It's not that I don't know how to vacuum. I was a bachelor for quite some time, and somebody had to vacuum the carpet, so it was always me. Seeing as there was nobody else here. But yeah, we let this run for about a minute, and then we'll shut it off and redo it to the next step, which is about now. So we've already gone and rinsed. We're actually going to go back to regular filtering now. So I want to shut this valve, so we'll go back through inlet into the pump, or the filter, outlet, back over the system, goes through my salt cell, which tells me whether or not I need to put salt in it. But I just do the taste test, you know, stick your arm in there and let your dog lick it, and if he goes, it's got plenty of salt. So that's it right now. Next step, put some more water back in it, and then add some salt, and after we get done with all that, we'll test it again. So, talk to y'all later. So it's really not that hard to take care of a swimming pool. I mean, I did this in what, less than 20 minutes, you know, so and I even got to hit a couple of golf balls, I think. I don't know. But anyhow, y'all have a nice day. I will.